All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom's going to show you how to make this amazing crab dip. It's like a southwestern style crab dip. He made it using his own salsa recipe. Anyway, it's
which will be on the menu. Which will be on the video.
Yeah, it'll be on the video for sure.
On the menu.
Yeah. But anyway, Dom is going to show you how to make this. It's very simple to prepare. It's great for game day. Football's coming up. You know, your guests will absolutely love it. Anyway, let's get started.
All right. We're going to make some hot sauce today. We got jalapenos, tomatoes, cilantro, onions, and fresh jalapeno peppers, but the green onions are for the crab dip also, and that's what we're doing. I'm making my own hot sauce for a cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese crab dip.
Nice.
It's gonna be really good.
Sounds good.
When I did catering jobs, a lot of people requested that.
Nice.
All right, we're gonna get our oil hot to roast the, we're gonna roast the vegetables, the tomatoes and everything. Green onions are for later. We got some nice jalapenos here.
Oh yeah.
These are great. We used to do a cowboy steak and roast jalapenos with a ribeye. Do a ribeye steak on a grill with roasted jalapenos and onions.
Nice.
Oh man.
Nice. Yeah. Love
Very
jalapenos. I bet you guys didn't know you got a couple of Yankees making some hot sauce here today.
Hey, I can do a lot of Mexican food too.
New York City.
We're gonna do well, hell, we've been living in Texas for almost 40 years, man.
I know. We've had our fair share of hot sauce here in Texas.
Great Mexican restaurants here in Texas.
Sure.
A lot of great ones.
Yes.
A lot of bad ones, but a lot of you have to go to a family-owned
mom and
restaurant.
pop.
That's right.
Yeah.
Exactly right.
Definitely. Okay. So where did you get this recipe from?
What do you mean? This recipe is the main salsa that you get when you sit down at a good Mexican restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
So I knew what was in it already, so.
Right, yeah. It's not bad. I've had it before. It's really good.
Ooh, my eyes are burning. Hot. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I'm going to throw our jalapenos in there now. Let that roast for a little bit. And then we'll throw the tomatoes in there. I'm going to roast our tomatoes. It's all in the
Cook for about how long? 5-10 minutes?
Until they're nice and soft and getting a little color,
All right, tomatoes are cooked, just about. And Dominic's
I'm going to go ahead and take off most of the skin, so all of it if I can. This plate so they cool down a little bit.
All right. Jalapenos out of there.
I'm going to try these jalapenos and see how hot they are. If they're not that spicy, I'll put in 2 or a third one.
Yeah, you might like to put 3 or 4 yourself if you're into spicy. How was that one?
That one's not spicy at all.
Yeah. It's hard to tell which
It is.
jalapenos are spicy and which aren't.
Let's try this one.
That one.
That one's hot.
All right, so we got a good balance here. Right?
Oh yeah, man, that one is. We'll put them all in there.
Yeah. All right.
Huh?
Yeah, the little one was the spiciest one, huh?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, I guess that's true. You know, the bigger they are, and the milder they are, basically.
Speak for yourself.
That looks good. I'm gonna blend these up. Starting to look like salsa.
There it is.
Perfect. Oh, look at that salsa.
Just gotta put some.
See if we need more salt. What do you think there?
Good.
A bit more
Just needs more salt and then cilantro.
Nice.
Just gotta put some cilantro in there.
And that's it.
We gotta wait for it to cool down before we put it in with our cream cheese and fresh crab meat.
Yeah.
All right, we got our crab meat here. We got a pound of fresh crab meat here. It's not frozen. We're gonna go ahead and pick through it. Just make sure all the shells are out. This is gonna be for our crab dip.
Nice. Is that good?
Sweet, very good. They're usually pretty good about getting the shells out of here, but you gotta check.
Okay. Good to go. All right, we're gonna finish up the salsa here.
Put some,
We got it nice and cooled down.
put some nice cilantro in here.
Oh yeah, I love cilantro.
I'm gonna use this.
Okay. Oh. Very nice.
Get the chips.
Yeah. There we go. Some chips. Test it out. How is it?
Good, huh?
Yeah. Just the right amount of heat.
Yeah, because two of those jalapenos were weak.
Yeah. Very nice. All right, let's finish up this crab dip. All right, there's some cream cheese going here. The Philadelphia style. All right, say it again.
We left the cream cheese out for a little bit so it can get soft. So we can put it in the mixer, and you have to let it soften up a little bit before you put it in the mixer.
Right.
Cheese out of there.
Yeah, buddy. All right.
I'll clean my hands.
Okay. Okay. What's next?
Just gonna put some hot sauce in there.
That's good already.
Oi!
That looks good already. Look at that.
Now we're gonna add our crab meat. It's a pound of crab meat, 2 pounds of cream cheese,
And about a cup and a half of salsa.
Salsa. We're gonna put some more in there.
Homemade salsa.
Put a little more in there.
Okay, about 2 cups total.
Yeah. Let's try it out.
Little green onion in there. Very nice.
You want to try this crab dip? What's up, Duke? Here, get some chips.
Oh, man, that looks great.
How's that look?
Very nice.
Try that fresh salsa I just made
Try to dip it in.
first.
What do you think, Dominucci?
Delicious.
Try the crab dip, yeah.
Like that?
Oh yeah.
Very
Another
good.
chip.
Is it good?
He wants another chip.
Go ahead, take some.
All right, let's get this plated. All right, let's test it. I want to try this salsa first. Although we've already tried it, though. It's delicious. I just can't stop eating it. It's unbelievable.
So fresh, huh?
Man. I like those on the border chips. They're pretty good. And I want to try this Southwest crab dip. I like to eat these on a Ritz cracker. Wow.
Good, huh?
Man.
I used to sell a lot of this for catering jobs and stuff.
I see how. I see why. It's delicious. Wow.
Crab meat is so fresh.
Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel. We have almost 200 videos out there with recipes. And
Take a look at them.
if you like our video, hit that like button. And if you want to get notified every time we put out a new video, just hit that bell right there next to the thumbs up sign. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.